Yes. Okay, hi everybody. My mother is a photographer. She travels around the world taking nature photos. And I'm going to give you a little look at this website that I made for her using Scala and Lift. And see how fast the Wi-Fi goes. If not, I won't show it to you. While that's loading, let me jump over to here. And here's what I'm going to present. Okay. So Lift is a web application framework. Here are the topics. So, organizing photos with Flickr, you can read this. Flickr's web services. Scala has nice XML features, and something with Lift, web application framework. So, as I mentioned, my mom has lots of photos. She has them on Flickr. Flickr is very easy to use, got lots of tools for uploading. And it also has web services, so programmers can find out about pictures and present them in a variety of ways. So I decided that this would be a good chance to use Scala and Lift. On Flickr, photos are organized in this way. Users have collections and sets. And collections can contain other collections and then sets contain photos. So, let's see if this page loaded. And right, good. So this is, the colors are not quite right, but you get the idea here. So the pictures are actually stored on Flickr. This is a Scala Lift web application. And you click on Antarctica and you see those, and then you click on a particular picture and a little bit of JavaScript that shows a bigger version of it. So that's the general idea of it. And back to here, and page new. Okay, so we'll look toward homepage, galleries, and shows. So on the homepage, there's code that every time you run it, it'll randomly choose a picture to show on the homepage, and it'll pull those pictures from a set from the user's Flickr. And each gallery is a Flickr set, and the sets are pulled from a collection. So if you want to use this tool, you make the various collections and sets on Flickr, and then you're all set to go. And picking a gallery shows all the photos in the gallery. And it showed you this with the JavaScript code there. She has a shows page, and this is just pictures pulled from another set. So now Flickr web services offer you a variety of ways to find out about the pictures that the user has. And here's some example results. So I did a query, and I got this XML back, which is nice and easy to parse with Scala. And so just to give you an example of what that looks like. And the code is broken up into these various categories. And I won't go down too much because of time. This is a Java servlet type of web application. That's what how Lift works, so you can configure it with web.xml. And here's some of the code. If you like Scala code, you can enjoy this, perhaps. And if you have never seen it before, you're getting a look at it now. And this particular bit of code actually makes the HTTP GET request to Flickr to pull the information back. And you can see that it uses the java.net.url and open connection and casts it to something. And then this XML.load, actually, this is a Scala feature that parses all that XML into a nice object that you can kind of query. And some classes that encapsulate the photo in the photo set. And Lift gives you a way to make a connection between a web page and some objects that provide the data for it. And that's what this does. And I'm not a JavaScript expert, but this is some code that seems to work using jQuery. It does the job. And some of the Lift, 3 of the Lift committers gave me some review. My mom gave me some money. Which is